back, folks.
We're back.
Whole new box of brand new lifters here.
That's right.
112 when it was full.
That's right. In 15 it was full.
27 assembled and 85 bodies with rollers.
And that's just one box. Alright, so we don't know what number we need. We're going to start with number 8.
Okay, since we have a lot of those.
Didn't have a lot of 8s in here.
How's it look inside? Clean?
Oh.
Tight? Here we go with a 5.
Doesn't want to go in there. Maybe it's got crop in there. I don't know.
Maybe that piston's too big.
Could be.
Do you know what those numbers mean?
Maybe all that muck in there was too much muck on it. So give me a CRC over there.
It doesn't take much muck to foul things up.
Yeah, I noticed that. We're going to see what number 8 does.
930.
I'm rubbing the 8 off every time I touch it. Where'd the spring go?
No clean oil even? Too tight. No.
Is that too tight?
Let's try a 5.
I'm pretty sure an 8 doesn't work. We don't like 8. So which one's this one? That's a 6. Which one's that one? 5. Let's go with a 5.
Okay.
If 8 don't work, we'll try 5. How's that?
Sloppy. At least it went in. Moving freely.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel rough.
Not binding like the other one was.
Good thing.
Goes in nice and smooth.
Yep.
I like. So 5 works. This thing won't come out.
A little oil in it.
No, we got CRC in there. Still, it draws a vacuum. Draws a vacuum and doesn't want to come out.
We don't have the right pliers to it also.
These are not the right pliers. We make them work. Okay, so 5's a good one.
Is there any grit on that bench over there?
There's a 6 right here.
You try that just for the heck of it?
Might as well.
I think so too.
You want to run them as tight as you can without being gritty or tight.
Yeah. Without sticking in
So
there.
8's really tight, and the one you had is a little tight.
The 8 was really tight.
Yeah, the one would go in. The other one was a little tight. So maybe you had a 6. So we're going to try 6.
Sticking?
Act like there was no spring in it.
I saw you put it in there.
I thought I put a spring in there.
Maybe that was a 6.
All I know is this doesn't move.
Did the 5? Would you say the 5 is better?
5 works. 6, I'm not too happy.
You think about opening the idle speed, and does that help it lean it out at all?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Sticks in the bottom when you do that.
So that's not good.
That's twice we've done 5 or 6.
6.
It doesn't work.
Yeah. And the 8 didn't work for Dan. So 5. Maybe that's a 6 we have, the one that failed.
So we don't like that one. I like this one right here.
Yeah, me too.
So I don't think we're going to need some little bit of assembly lube. So we need some break-in lube, right?
Yeah, not used oil.
It's a good thing we got some break-in lube around here someplace we can use. Oh, look at that, I made a mess. So we got a little break-in lube on our lifter.
Is that spring on there?
Springs in there. Plunger that goes in.
Four needle bearings.
Look at that. It's like it's made
Nice,
for it.
nice returning and everything.
It's like it was made for that lifter.
I believe so.
You like that?
Yep.
I'm thinking that's a winner.
I'm gonna roll with it too. I think that was a 5.
It's a good thing I got a rebuild kit laying around.
No doubt.
So if you destroy a tappet body,
Nowhere to go.
we know where to get some parts. As long as you got a good hydraulic unit, we got the lifters.
Get that click.
I heard a click. My little screwdriver.
Flat blade. Yep. That's Phillips.
Right. Way over there. Somebody keeps stealing all my tools. I don't know who that is.
We were using that for something. The move.
Yep. And it goes
Comes back.
all the way down, and it works like it's supposed to.
Is that little notch in the ring there? Is that so you can use a screwdriver to remove it, or something else?
It's just made as a square, like it's made like a kind of how they make it.
Oh.
Okay, there's a rebuilt lifter.
Needles feel good.
Pretty good. Put a little assembly lube on there. So now we've done 2 of these for your bike now. So just because you bought American-made parts doesn't mean they're made right.
These are closeout sale too, aren't they?
But now we know something. Number 8 is tight. Number 5 is loose
Only on this piston though, right?
on Evos. That's all that matters because they're Evo lifters.
Well, overall, those new push rods we got, the Harley Davidson ones, are
What?
3/8 of an inch longer.
What Harley Davidson ones?
What? These were the B Mama ones. Or
Those
whatever?
are bender over cycle.
Bender over, yeah. They're 3/8 of an inch longer than the S&S ones. Overall,
When it's all the way out nut to nut.
yeah, total thread and total length
I
of
thought
the.
they're going to be longer, so that's good. So they are different.
Yeah.
Good. Either way, I'm going to use them because I don't like the other ones. What'd you do with the long one?
Screw. Oh, socket.
So you want to put the S&S ones back in, or is what you want to do on your bike?
No, not at all. I think we're gonna need that
We're
3/8 of an inch.
We're going to use those? Okay, good.
Because we did such a
I like that.
such a radical valve grind on it. It's gonna need that extra.
Yeah, that on head work we did. Yeah.
I'm gonna let you torque these down.
Now, what cylinder are we on right now?
Front. We didn't change anything.
You didn't move anything?
Mm-mm.
So we're still in the front one. So we're going to try to get the front one done today, a whole day on just the front?
Well, at least we're making some progress.
Are you sure about that?
Making some progress on the other shovel head too, though. 2 bikes tonight.
Twice the problems?
2 unfinished bikes in it.
Yeah, there you go. I get some knuckle cases over there to get worked on. I got some kicker sports
Yeah,
kicker
sports
gears
kickers
over
are big.
there. There's another knucklehead motor floating around here somewhere.
That ring. Never mind.
We're not even talking about my bike.
No, not at
The
all.
bond party just got canceled.
I saw it just flooded.
There was a lake.
Rain came in and just like wasted the place. It wasn't bad at first. I guess they were getting some laps in, but
Well, I guess the first day they didn't get.
and it just poured. I guess I saw yesterday. It looked like a lake out there. Cars were getting towed off and
It
everything.
is a lake.
It is a lake. Find out.
It's a Lake Bonneville.
Must have had a hell of a lot of rain come through.
Yep.
Where?
Bonneville. Everything was like
Monsoon.
3 feet of water in there now.
Yeah, I see him on Facebook.
I've been up there when this happened. It comes
I
down
know a
hard.
guy makes bodies for cars.
It comes down hard.
Why anyone would do anything except for what the guys that have the world record have, I can't understand.
Because I can do it better.
Every motorcycle and every car should have that same body style on it.
I am not going to ride a
Is that-
Hayabusa.
Should have the same body style as that guy has that wins everything. Poteet or whatever his name is. What, that guy hauls ass every year. Smaller motor every time and gets more mile per hour out of it.
Yeah, I don't know. This one guy named Ro Yale. He's from Houston. He makes a bunch of bodies for guys over there.
Yeah.
Okay, which one's this one?
I don't remember. This one's a long one. This one's a short one. Let's see, that's a shorty.
It's short.
Or the other one with a tube.
I like doing it my own way, so I don't care what other people do.
Well, I'm just saying that those guys that have like Vesco and those guys, why would they not use the design that that guy has? Because this is obviously a step above everybody.
Vesco went 509 miles an hour.
Really?
How fast did Petite go?
At the I thought that Potita had gone 480 or something. The
Okay.
fastest vehicle for the last 10 years in a row.
590, I mean 510, 509 and change or 510.
Potita's not broken 500 yet. As far as I know.
Nobody's broken the 500 except Vesco.
Yeah.
He's the only one.
Okay, that's why he runs that long.
Now, you know
long
why?
speed miner
You
then.
know why Hot Rod doesn't give him a trophy?
No.
Because he's using a helicopter turbine motor for power.
Oh, is that the piston driven only on the Hot Rod Trophy?
They
Huh?
qualify the record as being piston driven. It was wheel driven.
Did that
and
change?
That didn't work because Vesco screwed that all up. So then they made
Oh, so they don't like this.
So then they made it, well, yeah. Then they made it piston powered. So that means if an electric vehicle goes out there and breaks that record, it ain't gonna work count either. So Hot Rod
Really?
Magazine only cares about one thing.
Piston driven motors.
They're not going by maximum speed, they're going by,
It used to be maximum
What their
speed.
thing
Didn't
is.
it? Has
It
Hot
used
Rod
to
always
be.
been piston though?
no.
So there's some cars on there that weren't piston. Cause yeah, cause like the guy used to have the jet cars out there, you know.
Yep.
Breedlove.
Mhm.
He's on the trophy, isn't he?
I don't know. I don't know how long trophy gets right.
Quite a while ago.
So just because you think he's the fastest body out there, he ain't the fastest body.
No.
I can think of a lot of better body. There's a better body out there than his.
His seems to work. So he's just got a good motor then. Huh?
Nubius 3 is better.
I haven't seen that one.
It sits this high off the ground.
No way. Really?
Yes, the whole car.
Wow.
And you can't see what that is because it's this high.
Was it like a rocket?
It's the height of this damn table here. It's where its head is.
Nubius 3.
Yes. Nubis Theorem 3 or some stupid thing. There's a 1 and a 2 also. So that's the latest one I've been using for 10 years now, 15 years. Okay, where's my wrench? Okay, so you got half, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How far are we going?
That's a lot. That's 4 turns right now.
Oh, 6. Did I go 6? I got lost.
You counted. I heard you count 7, and then you went one more half a turn, didn't you?
I don't know what I did. It's one thing about push rods. It doesn't take much to go back.
You can always go back on.
Excuse me.
Okay.
You trying to find something over there?
I want that Nubius car.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3 bored out CB750 motors.
I don't know. They've had a small block in there before.
NEUVIUS.
No, you can't put anything bigger than a small block in it. Good. Now I need an intake exhaust. You got an exhaust pusher?
Yeah, a long one for that one.
This looks like a long one. You film anything?
Hold on.
Find it yet?
What is it run like unlimited class?
Nope.
Motorcycle?
None of them run on unlimited class.
You no? What's Vesco's? I thought no.
Run-
Oh, unlimited. All the jets and everything, huh?
Unlimited is like a drag racing term. Land speed racing is always a class. Always a class.
660cc Honda set a land speed record at Bonneville.
For them.
How many do you have at one time? In the SCT area?
At one time,
Yeah.
I was like 23 or 4.
23 or 4?
At one time, yeah. Current.
Yeah, a lot.
Probably got over 100 records. Keep breaking them.
People have over 100? Is that what you said?
I probably have had over 100.
Oh, really? Total?
But I break them.
Wow.
You go back and re-break them. It's called bumping the record up.
Yep.
Well, there's people with more records than me. A lot of people have records. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I almost got tension on it.
Did this time?
It's not bled down completely like the other ones.
That means the lifter must be working now.
Let's see if I can tighten this thing up and I'll let it break in. It torqued. Oh, it goes up and down. There's no tension. Not as much as that one. Tension. Okay. Might clatter a little bit when it first starts, but it'll run. All right, we'll be back.
Got that thing fixed.